Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making chakalaka. So let's get into it. Starting off, adding some oil, then some onions. Cook them until they become like softer and beginning to become translucent. So not brown, but just a little bit softer. Then add in some garlic, and we do not add this garlic at the beginning with the onions because the garlic cooks very fast and easily, and it can burn very easily. The next, our spices, the list will be in the description box like it says on the screen. And then you're just gonna mix that a little bit. Now I didn't cook this like for a very long time. I just make sure that everything is mixed in before moving on to the next step. Next, we're gonna add in our bell peppers, and we're gonna soften this just a little bit before adding in the carrots. Then we're adding in our carrots, and we're gonna allow this to be softened. Now if you do not like very soft carrots, you can add them towards the end so that you still have that crunch. It applies to all the vegetables. Then we're gonna add in our tomatoes that have the skin removed. If you want me to show you how to remove the skin yourself, leave a comment down below in the comment section and I will do it. And if you don't feel like doing that, use canned tomatoes. Then right here, we're just gonna add our canned baked beans. Whatever brand that you like is fine. For me, I picked the one that I have always enjoyed. Whichever one you like, pick that one. Add in your beef stock. This is optional. And some tomato paste, and again it's optional since you've already added the tomatoes and this is already cooked, or you can also add it as you were adding the spices. Same thing goes for the beef stock. And that is it, guys. This is the full recipe, and if you like that, give it a like on the video. And until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.